Welcome to Sarah's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share a very healthy millet recipe, Kambu Sadam, also known as Bajara or pearl millet. Take 1.5 cup of pearl millet, wash it thoroughly and soak it in drinking water for 2 to 3 hours. Strain the water completely and transfer the pearl millet into the mixie jar and grind it coarsely. Now it is ready to cook. Take 1 cup of water in a separate vessel, add little bit of salt and allow it to boil. Once it reaches the boiling point, add the grinded kambu and mix it well. Stir the pearl milk continuously, otherwise it will stick on the bottom. Now you see the millet has absorbed the water. So I am going to add 1/4 cup of hot water. Depending upon the quality of the millet, the quantity of the water will change. Now I feel the aroma of the pearl millet. Use the back side of the wooden spatula to stir the pearl millet. If you use the back side of the wooden spatula, it will be very easy to stir continuously. Now you see the millet has changed its color and it absorbs the water also. It almost cooked for 10 minutes. Again I am going to add little bit of water and stir it continuously and cook it in a very low flame as much as possible. Now it almost cooked for 15 minutes. Depending on the quality of the millet, the cooking time may vary. If it is not cooked fully, it will upset your stomach. Now you notice the change in color. It's completely cooked now. So switch off the flame, cover it and allow it to cool down for 2 hours. Immerse your hands in the water. Make it as a ball. And soak it in drinking water. Cover it and you can store it in refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. If you like to have hot kambu sadam, it goes very well with sambar and it is a very good substitute for rice. Stir the curd and make it as a buttermilk. Take 1 pearl millet ball from the water and put it in the buttermilk. Add little bit of salt because I already added salt while cooking the pearl millet. Add finely chopped small onion and mix it well. If you like the thick consistency, you can have it as it is. Otherwise, mix it with little bit of water and you can have it like porridge. Pearl millet are rich in protein, vitamins and minerals. Try this recipe, give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.